Hello, beautiful woman, welcome back. Today I want to speak to the woman who has been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but keeps saying, I don't know where to begin. Let me tell you this clearly. You do not need to be perfect to start. You only need to begin. Step 1. Decide what your channel will be about. Ask yourself, what do I know? What have I survived? What can I teach? What do I enjoy talking about? Your channel can be about faith, cooking, motherhood, relationships, business, health, beauty, lifestyle, storytelling, or encouragement. Step 2. Choose a simple channel name. Do not overthink it. Pick a name that reflects your message. You can even use your own name if you are building a personal brand. Step 3. Create a Gmail account. You need a Google account to open a YouTube channel. Once you have Gmail, go to YouTube, click your profile picture, and create your channel. Step 4. Create a simple profile picture and banner. Use Canva. Keep it clean. Use colors that match your message. Your page should look welcoming and clear. Step 5. Record your first video. Use your phone. Stand near a window for good light. Speak clearly. Do not worry about perfection. Your first video is not supposed to be perfect. It is supposed to exist. Step 6. Start with topics you already understand. Make videos from your life experience. If you are a mother, talk about lessons from motherhood. If you are retired, talk about life after retirement. If you have survived pain, teach others how to rise again. Step 7. Create a good title and thumbnail. The title tells people what the video is about. The thumbnail makes them stop and click. Keep the words big, clear, and emotional. Step 8. Upload consistently. Do not post once and disappear. Start with 1 or 2 videos a week. Consistency teaches YouTube and your audience what to expect from you. Step 9. Learn as you go. You will not know everything on day 1. Learn thumbnails, descriptions, tags, editing, and YouTube analytics little by little. Step 10. Do not compare yourself to younger creators. Your wisdom is your advantage. Your age is not a weakness. Your story, your voice, and your life experience matter. So if you have been waiting for a sign, this is it. Start the channel. Record the video. Share your story. Somebody out there needs what you carry. And remember, it is never too late to begin. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it with another woman who needs courage to start. Here at Women's Corner 61, we share wisdom, life lessons, what we can learn from influential women around the world, and practical advice for women of purpose. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.